So we're here remodeling our bathroom, and we had some wallpaper on our walls. I don't know why, but we did. We went out and we bought some of this wallpaper and gel remover from Piranha. I'm sure it works great, but let's take a look at some of the toxins or the chemicals that are inside of this. The product contains no substances which, at given concentration, are considered to be hazardous to death, but says keep out of reach of children, do not digest. If in eyes or skin, wash with plenty of water. Keep container tightly closed. Warning, this product contains a chemical known to the state of California to cause cancer and or birth defects or other reproductive harm. So instead of using this, we decided to try a little spray bottle. We put some water in it with a little bit of vinegar, and it worked perfectly. So this is just another good tip to reduce your toxin exposure and save you some money.
Alright, so hopefully that was a helpful video for you guys at home. Now, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, like us below. Also, click that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel. We have more videos like this to come for you. Cue the outro.